Hello everyone, and once again welcome back in this summer camp. And today we are going to learn a very different topic, that is about robots. So firstly we will learn what is robot and what are the tasks for the robots, right? So robot is a machine we know very well, especially one programmable by a computer capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. A robot can be guided by an external control device, or the control may be embedded within. हम किसी एक्सटर्नल कंट्रोल डिवाइस के थ्रू भी उसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, इवन हम उसको खुद ऑटोनोमसली भी कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. When we are talking about the designing of robot, when we are talking about the programming of robots, that means we are doing the study about robotics, right? So we need to explore and learn all these things, like how we can create a robotic structure, how we can perform any task by the help of robotic body or a chassis, right? So before going ahead, I'm going to tell you how we can make a robotic structure. You know, this session is in online form, online mode, but by the help of one software and by the help of one platform, we can easily design the exact structure of robot, which we can prepare or make in any laboratory. करेक्ट? तो हम वो सेम टास्क परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं जिसको हम किसी लैब में जाकर के किसी टूल्स के हेल्प से, किसी भी फिजिकल इक्विपमेंट की
voice is not coming.
Just give me 1 minute. यस, सो किसी भी इक्विपमेंट की हेल्प से हम उसको मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. तो सिमिलरली वही सेम टास्क आज हम सीखेंगे कि कैसे हम वो कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसकी हेल्प से वी कैन डिजाइन अ वर्चुअल रोबोटिक स्ट्रक्चर, and after that we can do the same task in our labs. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about one software, that is Lego Mindstorm or a Lego digital designer. We can say that Lego digital designer. Here it is, the software. I will share the link for downloading this software on the groups, and by the help of the given link you can easily download this software in your systems. Okay, so that is Lego digital designer. After the downloading process, you have to open this software on your systems, and today I will tell you all the things about the designing of robot. As you can see, these are the kit material, right? Like when I click on this digital designer, so you can see you can make that kind of toys, autonomously toys or a remote control toys, right? आप देख सकते हैं आपकी स्क्रीन पर, right? If when I click on this Lego Mindstorm, then you can see you can prepare that kind of robotic body, which you can see on the screen right now. Okay, इस तरीके के स्ट्रक्चर्स आप मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं। ये देखिए इस तरीके के स्ट्रक्चर्स आप बना सकते हैं। सेम आप इसको फिजिकली भी बना सकते हैं, इवन वर्चुअली भी बना सकते हैं। एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज द नेक्स्ट किट material is here, Lego Digital Designer extended version. Like if you want to create all the things together, you can make by the help of some extra parts, because some extra parts are available in this category. Okay, so today we will learn the tools use, and next tomorrow we will make a complete project on this platform. Firstly, we will learn how we can execute, how we can explore, how we can do the task on this platform. So here is the option, students, where you can get your own files. Whatever you have made, you will receive here your recent files. Okay, and here is the option to open another file. If you want to open any other file by the help of their name, so you can go with this, just click on that, and you can directly jump onto the system location जहां पर भी आपकी फाइल सेव होगी, correct? But I don't want to open any existing file right now. I want to create a new file. So what is the process? Process is very simple. Here is the option that is pre-build. That is pre-build. When we click on this pre-build icon, we will directly jump onto the main screen of Lego Digital Designer, where we can create a virtual structure of any kind of robotics body or a robotic chassis, right? And after designing, we can do the same task physically in lab by the help of any tools, right? So students, firstly, I will tell you the importance and the role of this interface. Okay, as you can see on the left side, the main screen is divided into two parts only. The left side, we have all the material, all the equipments, all the parts. By the help of these parts, you can make a toy, you can make a car, you can make a robotic structure, you can make anything, whatever you want to make. We will take a query at the end of the session. Okay, so here is the option for tools, right, for objects, and this is the space where we can design. Like इसको इस तरीके से अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके पास कुछ पार्ट्स मैंने दे दिए हैं, सब अवेयर हैं, पजल से सब अवेयर हैं, सब पजल बनाए हैं सबने, है ना? तो अगर आपको कुछ पार्ट्स दे दिए जाते हैं, देन आप क्या करते हैं, यू हैव टू असेंबल ऑल द पार्ट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर चॉइसेस और अ कंडीशंस, राइट? अगर आप उसको असेंबल करते हैं तो वो कहाँ करेंगे? कोई स्पेस आपको चाहिए उसके लिए जहां पर आप उसको पुट कर सकते हैं. तो सिमिलरली ये एक ऐसा स्पेस आपको वर्चुअली प्रोवाइड किया गया है जहां आप अपने पार्ट्स को इजीली बना सकते हैं. ओके, so right now I'm going to tell you one thing. Here is the button, that is plus button. When I click on that, you can see it will open the complete equipment parts which is related to this, right? Like one by one की ब्रिक है, सेकंड प्रोफाइल ब्रिक है 1/2 की, थर्ड पहले से ब्रिक है 1/2 की, है ना, 1/3 की ब्रिक है. तो वो सारे ब्रिक्स आपको ओपन करके देगा. एंड इफ यू वांट टू कोलैप्स this icon once again, so you can click on this minus button like this. And if you want to open this one, here are some other material. When I click on this, here are some other material, right? But you have to do one thing. You will go in view option, and then you have to choose new themes, and you have to set Lego Mindstorm. When we are designing robot, so we have to choose Lego Mindstorm kit material. ये kits होती हैं जिनमें आपको material आते हैं, right? तो ये आपको चूज करना है कि आप कौन सी किट का पार्ट डिजाइन कर रहे हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप थीम चूज करेंगे. नाउ यू कैन सी दीज आर द सेंसर्स जिनको हम क्या करते हैं रोबोटिक स्ट्रक्चर में एड ऑन करते हैं फॉर डिटेक्टिंग समथिंग. लाइक इफ आई वांट टू डिटेक्ट एनी कलर, if I want to detect any sound, if I want to detect any distance. So we have so many sensors in this kit, and by the help of this sensors we can perform any task, right? So here is the area. If you want to increase this area, you can do like this. आप अपने वर्क प्लेन को स्मॉल कर सकते हैं, इवन आप अपने टूल एरिया को एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं by the help of this way. If you want to collapse, then you can go like this. Okay, if you want to expand any other tool, you can do. Even you can search by the help of their part name. Like I'm typing here EV3. EV3 is a brain of computer, right? जिसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, रोबोट के जितने भी टास्क हैं उनको फीड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो हियर इज द EV3, दिस वन इज EV3, राइट? दीज आर द सेंसर्स, राइट? दिस वन इज आल्सो EV3. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ वी कैन put these materials or these objects on the work plane area. Like when I click on this EV3, you can see, just drag your mouse after clicking on the given part, and you can receive the same part on the work plane area like this. I will tell you once again how we can change the settings of category. Here is the option that is view, right? Here is the option that is view. It is available in menu bar, and you can see the option that is new themes. When you click on this new themes, you will receive 3 categories. First one is LDD, that is limited parts are available in this category. Some extra parts are also available in Lego Mindstorm category, and some more parts are available in LDD extended version category. So you can choose according to their requirements by the help of this process. I hope it is clear now. You can give your thumb impression if it is clear. Okay, that's good. Okay. Now next question is how we can insert or how we can put any part on the work plane area, right? So like here is the library. We can say that here's the library or the area where all the parts are available. You can see, like if I want to take this touch sensor on the work plane area, so firstly you have to click on that. The first step is click on that, and after that आप देखो अभी विजिबिलिटी नहीं है, बट टच सेंसर आपके वर्क प्लेन एरिया पर अवेलेबल है. You have to drag your mouse on the work plane area like this. Now you can see part is here. Okay, so in this way we can easily put any part on the work plane area for the designing, right? Now I will tell you some extra and other parts and tools. Here are some tools at the top of the main page, right? यहाँ पर कुछ tools हैं. Like first one is single selection tool. Second, that is clone tool. hinge tool, hinge align tool, flex tool, paint tool, hide tool, and delete tool. So we will discuss all the things one by one. If I want to select anything during the designing, like if I want to connect two parts together, so we need a pins, connector pegs, जिसको हम बोलते हैं connector pegs. I'm writing here connector peg. I'll show you. Yes, this is a connector peg tool, and I can easily expand by the help of this plus symbol. And now you can see this is a connector peg. By the help of this, I can easily join or assemble any two parts. Like you can see here, even I would like to delete this first EV3, and I'm taking some bricks because it's quite simple to understand. I'm typing here name because I know the name of the parts, and after some time you can easily identify. Yes, like I'm taking this one cross block and one more cross block like black color, right? If I want to join these parts together, so how we can do? Firstly, you have to see one thing. 4 arrows हमारे part पे आते हैं जब हम उसको select करते हैं. तो by the help of keyboard keys, arrow keys, you can rotate like this. आपके कीबोर्ड में अप डाउन लेफ्ट राइट के कीज अवेलेबल होते हैं, उसके हेल्प से आप इसको किसी भी फॉर्म में एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सिमिलरली आप सेकंड पार्ट को भी इसी तरीके से एडजस्ट करेंगे by the help of arrow keys, right? And then you have to put here, and you can use this connector peg, and you have to put in center, and after that you can assemble like this. Now you can see, right? So this is the single selection tool. If I want to select a single part in our robotic body or in our robotic designing, so I can do this. I can do the same thing by the help of this tool. Like when I click on this, तो आप देख रहे हैं कि एक ही part move हो रहा है. But I don't want to do the same thing. I want something else. Like, just give me 1 minute. Like here's the multiple selection tool. I want to select multiple times, multiple tools or multiple parts at same time, right? Like if I want to choose two parts at same time, like firstly I have to click on this red part, and after that I will click on the black part. Now you can see only two parts are moving. Connector peg आपका वही है जहां पर था, right? So in this way we can select more than one part by the help of this multiple selection tool. Okay, and the next one is connected selection tool. Like अगर आप connected selection tool choose करते हैं, for example I'm clicking on this part, so इससे जितने भी connected parts होंगे वो सभी select हो जाएंगे automatically. अभी आप देखो connector peg भी इसके साथ connected है. लास्ट केस में ऐसा नहीं था. लास्ट केस में आप क्या देख रहे थे कि ओनली वो पर्टिकुलर पार्ट सेलेक्ट किए थे जिनको हमने अपनी चॉइस से सेलेक्ट किया था, बट वो मोर देन वन थे एज कंपैरिजन टू सिंगल सिलेक्शन. और कनेक्टेड सिलेक्शन में वो सब पार्ट कनेक्टेड जितने भी होंगे एक दूसरे से वो सब सेलेक्ट हो जाएंगे. एंड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ कलर सिलेक्शन टूल यू कैन डू, इफ यू वांट टू सेलेक्ट रेड कलर, wherever red color is available, you want to select all these parts, you can do, right? Like I'm taking this black part on this work plane area, Now I will show you the reflection of color selection tool and the work of color selection tool. When I click on this color selection tool, and after that I will click on this black part, so you can see both black color parts are selected. It's not mandatory कि वो connected हो, कहीं भी हो वर्क प्लेन एरिया पे वो सेलेक्ट हो जाएंगे. देखो ऑल पार्ट्स, जितने भी ब्लैक कलर के पार्ट होंगे वो सब सेलेक्ट हो जाएंगे. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन डू जो भी आपको करना है करें, राइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज शेप सिलेक्शन टूल. लाइक सिमिलर शेप का अगर कोई भी आप ऑब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, वो सबका शेप बिल्कुल सेम है, तो आप इसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं. सिमिलरली वी हैव शेप सिलेक्शन टूल, शेप एंड कलर सिलेक्शन टूल. लाइक दोनों का शेप एंड साइज दोनों सेम होना चाहिए. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन select the things, select the objects. And last one is invert selection. Like जितना भी आपके work plane area पर material है, you can select togetherly by the help of this tool. Okay, like this. ये दो. So this is all about selection tool, how we can select, because without selecting you cannot design anything. ये भी एक point है, आपको ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है. Now next I will tell you one thing about clone tool. What is the role of clone tool? Clone tool will help you to create a duplicate copy of any object on the work plane area during the design. Okay, like when I click on this clone tool and after that I will click any part, like this part, I want to create a duplicate copy. So just click on that, and after that drag your mouse in any direction, you can receive the same copy of that object. No need to find out once again and again during the designing, because it's a completely time taking process. But by the help of this tool, we can reduce this. Okay, we can deduct the time. Okay, so this is the role of clone tool. And hinge tool. Hinge and hinge align, I will tell you in next class, that means tomorrow. And before that I will tell you about the flex tool. Like if any part is like a pipe structure, right, जिसको हम bend कर सकते हैं, because these are the solid parts, इनको आप bend नहीं कर सकते हो. if you want to do, ये break हो जाएंगे, right, टूट जाएंगे. But अगर कोई भी आप फ्लेक्सिबल पार्ट लेते हो जिसको आप इजीली एक्सपेंड कर सकते हो, उसको मूव कर सकते हो, राइट, फ्लेक्सिबल वे में, लाइक दिस इज अ पाइप. सो इफ यू वांट टू डू, देन यू कैन यूज फ्लेक्स टूल लाइक दिस. आप इसको इजीली क्या कर सकते हैं, बेंड कर सकते हैं. हाउ, आई विल शो यू. ये देखो in this way, because sometime हमें क्या होता है, हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कि हम उसको किस तरीके से अपने चेसेस डिजाइन में पुट करना चाहते हैं, और एक वर्चुअल एनवायरनमेंट में उस फील को लेना इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. बट दिस सॉफ्टवेयर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सॉफ्टवेयर एंड इट्स अ वेरी easy software, and we can do the same task by the help of this software. राइट, कहीं से भी हम उसको बैंड करके कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, लाइक इफ आई वांट टू एडजस्ट हियर, आई कैन डू. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट द यूज ऑफ पेंट टूल. इट विल प्रोवाइड यू द कंप्लीट पैलेट, कंप्लीट कलर पैलेट. इफ जितने भी उसके सेलेक्टेड कलर्स अवेलेबल होंगे वो आपको शो करेगा. लाइक व्हेन आई क्लिक हियर, so you can see 2 more colors are also available. When I click here, when I click here, तो जो भी अगर आपका कोई भी कलर होगा उसका उससे रिलेटेड यहाँ पर 3 कलर्स आपके पास हैं. It will show you, and now you can change it. Just click on that. Like if I want to use third one, this one, I can do. I can easily change the color. Okay. And now I will tell you about the hide tool. Like during the designing, you want to hide some tools for some time, not you want to delete, right? You want to delete, you want do one thing, just click on that. Firstly, you have to choose tool like hide tool, and after that you have to click on that. Now you can see your pipe is invisible right now. Invisible, all things are invisible but not deleted. They are not deleted. Okay, all parts are in hide condition. And if you want to take come back, so here is the icon, is a funny emoji type, जिसने क्या किया हुआ है, अपने सारे पार्ट्स को हाइड किया हुआ है. तो when I click on this funny emoji, hidden emoji, you can see all the parts are available on the work plane area for the designing. Sometime क्या होता है, बहुत ज्यादा हमारा मटेरियल वर्क प्लेन एरिया पे है, and it's quite difficult to manage all the things during the designing. During the robot designing, we can easily hide some material for a some time, ताकि हमें वापस से उसको सर्च आउट ना करना पड़े, वापस से उसको यूज ना करना पड़े. हम वापस से 2 मिनट में उसको वापस से अपना यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर any purpose. And if you want to delete any part permanently from the work plane area, so here is the option to delete. So firstly you have to select delete tool, and after that you can delete any part, whichever part you want to delete you can do. Okay, so these are the tools. By the help of these tools we can do designing, and in tomorrow class we can prepare one design, we can prepare one structure, and even I will tell you 2 tools used by the help of this design, because it's possible जब भी हम इसको डिजाइन करेंगे किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को, तभी ये पॉसिबिलिटी है इसको, इसका रिजल्ट आप देख पाएंगे. तो उसको हम कल डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड इवन इफ यू वांट टू गो बैक ऑन द वेलकम स्क्रीन, हियर इज द ऑप्शन. If you want to save it, you can save. If you don't want to save it, you can click on this do not save, and you can directly jump onto the main screen. Okay, I'll show you how we can design that kind of structures, right? वो आपको मैं कल एक स्ट्रक्चर के थ्रू हेल्प करूंगी. And you can share your file as well. After save, you can share your file. Firstly you have to save your file in your system, and after that you can share your file to anyone. Okay, I hope all these things clear to you. Okay, that's great. Now we will take a query session.